Everybody, this is Suzy and Rafa from Cheeky Seats.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you how to install one of our seat covers. That is what we make, seat covers. Goes on your actual seat. We have a Vespa Sprint and Primavera seat cover. Your seat may look different, but it's going to work the same. Starting at the back, get that lined up well on the back. You can do this on the bike. We don't have the bike, so we're just working with the seat. Line that up along the back, and then pull that over on the front. You're going to notice a black line around the inside edge. That lines up with your seat all the way around when you're underneath. You can take a look at that. Line up your bag hook. There you go. You do the front and the back, and then you can wrangle with the sides. Sides you just pull in. Line up the guidelines on that. Take a look for those. And then adjust the pull stop. Beautiful whiskey cover with French seams that we made. All of our seat covers made here in Pennsylvania by me and Rafa. And there you have a beautiful whiskey seat cover. Massage it into place. You may notice some tenting. That'll go away when you ride on it. And there you have it. Thank you.